Hi, welcome to Lockdown Drama. My name is Barry and this is the first ever Lockdown Drama session. I don't normally number them, but I think it's important to start with this one if you can, except if you haven't seen the introduction to Lockdown Drama, you need to do that first. Okay, so stop this right now, go back, look for Lockdown Drama introduction. Done that? Great. You've already read it. You're here. You know what you're doing. Fantastic. Okay, today we are doing mirroring. Okay? It's a very popular and common drama exercise. What do you need for mirroring? A little bit of space. Just this amount that I've got here and around me. And you need one other person. Now, if you've got two other people, one of them can sit out for a bit. You can do it with three. Okay? I'll tell you how to adapt it later. You can do it with four, split into twos. What you need is a partner. That's it. Now, it doesn't matter how old this partner is. If they're older than you, if they're younger than you, it's fine. Okay? In fact, it's more than fine. It's brilliant because then we're going to build the bridges between the generations. Okay? You're all going to experience it together, which is the wonderful thing about drama. Okay. Here we go. So for mirroring, I need one of you to come a bit closer to me. Closer than that. Stop. Not too far. I want you to be able to see the whole of this screen. So my hands and my arms, that's really important. You're going to be my demonstrator. If we were in a session right now with people all around us, I would ask for a demonstrator. You are the demonstrator. Okay. Now, if we do this right, it's going to look like I have a reflection right in front of me. It's very exciting. Okay. All I'm going to do is move my hands and my arms, and you, demonstrator, all you have to do is copy. So, for example, when I put this hand up, you're going to put your hand up. Don't touch the screen. You don't need to do that. Let's have a bit of space between us. Okay, have you got that? Great. Now we're going to move up and down. Now, just follow my hand. Well done. See how slowly we're going. Watch out because something's going to change. Whoop. Nice. Now they don't have to move the same way. You're doing such a great job here. Now you see I'm going quite slowly. I'm not trying to trick you. I'm trying to make it seem like you're the reflection. So sort of working together here to make this work. That's a tricky one there. Okay, hands go back like this and stop. Thank you, demonstrator. Well done. Good job. Got it? Now you're going to do that with your partner. Okay, now a few things before you start. One, your partner should be about the same height as you. So if one of you is taller, one of you might need to go on your knees or sit on the floor. And you need to be facing each other just like we're doing now. So if you're about the same height, you can cross your legs, sit facing each other. Try not to be distracted by anything around you. Okay, now I want you to decide who's going to be A and who's going to be B. Okay, so decide who's A and B right now. I'll give you 5 seconds. There you go, that was seconds. Okay, A's. A, if you're A, you are moving first. B, you're the copier, okay? A, your job is to go quite slowly. Just do what I did. You're doing my job. And B, focus. Really concentrate on what they're doing. Remember, A, you're not trying to trick them. Go nice and slowly. You're only moving your hands and your arms. Now, sometimes I'll ask you to pause me, but not today, okay? So I'll keep talking. Are you ready? Here we go. A's, you're going to start moving in 3, 2, 1, go. Nice and slowly. Now you don't need to look at me because I'm not doing anything. I am just talking really calmly. So you can concentrate. Try not to giggle. Shut out all the noise around you. That can be quite hard in a family house. Keep going. Try a different move. You don't have to do exactly what I did. You can do it. Keep going and stop. Good job. Well done. Well done. I'm getting vibes through this. I can feel that worked well. Okay. You know what we're going to do now? We're going to swap over. You don't need to move. You can stay exactly where you are. Sorry. Just do that noise so that you know who I'm talking to. B. You're going to start this time. Okay? Again, you don't have to do what your partner did. B's, you know how it feels to be a copier. A, you know how it feels to be a mover. So respect each other nice and slowly. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, B, go. Lovely. Concentrate. Keep looking at each other. That focus and that connection between you is going to make this work. If you do have someone watching you, if you're going carefully, it'll be hard for them to know who the mover and the copier actually are, apart from the fact they've probably heard me say. Keep going. You're doing a fabulous job here. Well done. And stop. Excellent job, Bees. You can relax, have that giggle, shake it off, shake it off. Fabulous. You've just done some mirroring. Okay? Professional actors do this to connect with each other. Actually, this is a really good one to calm people down. Now, you just heard a buzz. Sorry, that was my phone doing something. Ignore that. We don't have to do anything. So well done. Let's try again. A, you're going to have another go. Okay? But this time, A, I want you to do something that people do in the mirror. Maybe put on some makeup. Do your hair. Adjust your glasses, brush your teeth. You can maybe think of some other things. Now, of course, you can put on makeup even if you don't normally wear makeup, okay? Because we're doing drama. You can do anything you like here. You can mix them all up if you like. The one rule is, A's, you have to go slowly. So look, if I'm putting on my makeup here, I'm twisting my lipstick. I'm going forwards, okay? I'm doing that, but that's even too fast. Okay, so think about all the detail, but go super slowly. And your partner can copy you. Okay. Don't forget to pull the faces that people pull in the mirror sometimes. If you want to shave your face like some men do sometimes, there might be a bit of like this and pulling that. Okay? Right, A's, are you ready? Be creative. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Think of all those people putting on their makeup right now. Don't forget your eyes if you're doing the makeup. Your lips. Okay. Put a bit of blusher and rouge on. Okay. Hair, you can spike it up if you want. You can give it a bit of a trim. You can curl it. Okay. Maybe you're giving yourself some face paint, some stripes for tigers. Something like that. Okay. Maybe you're cutting some nose hair along those lines. Okay, brush your teeth. That's it. Okay, A's, keep going slowly. Remember, slowly. And we're about to stop now. Well done, A's. Okay, B, your go. Remember, you don't need to swap over. You don't need to do what A's have done. You can do anything you like. Okay, don't need me to talk. We're going to get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah. Good. Keep it going. What are they doing? What are they doing? Don't forget you can turn your head slightly. Try different things with your head up and down. You're still moving your arms and your hands, but you can move your head a little bit. Don't forget to move forward sometimes. And you shouldn't be watching me. So anyone who's watching me and giggling, you shouldn't really be. You should be focusing in on your partner. And we're about to stop in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Well done. Give yourselves a round of applause. This is a round, see? A round of applause. Good job, A's and B's. Fantastic mirroring. Now, variations. That word means things you can change. Okay? So, if you want to carry on with this, I'm going to give you some hints and tips. Number 1, you can do it in a 3. Okay? You can do triangle mirrors. First of all, you can stand up. Stand up as a 3. So in a triangle, and you've got a leader. You know where the leader stands. Okay, decide where the leader stands. The leader stands always. So if we had 3 points, here's my triangle. Let's say the leader always stands there. And after 10 seconds, you turn around. So the leader is in a different position. I should say it's a different leader every time. Try it as a 3. Another variation. Of course, you could do it standing up. and move your arms and your legs at the same time. It's a bit harder to do in more than 4, but it is possible. There is a final variation, and it's slightly more complicated, but I'm going to introduce that another day. Maybe not next time, but maybe another session. Okay, that is called the hand of power. Got to do that noise as well. Power. And do that creepy face I did. I'm not going to do that again. Okay, so hand of power is coming. Final variation. Bring some audience in. Okay. Decide between you, without the audience hearing, which one of you is the leader, which one of you is the copier, and do it in front of the audience and see if they can guess who the leader is. You have to be really concentrating for that. Okay. Well, I'm stopping now. Okay, you've done a fantastic job. I could feel it coming through at me. So well done you, and well done you, and well done everyone there. Thank you so much for joining me at Lockdown Drama. There'll be another video posted really soon. Keep your eyes open for it. And in a few sessions' time, the second type of mirroring, the hand of power. Oh no, I did that creepy face. You didn't tell me to stop. Oh, right. See you soon. Bye. Barry out.